I'm an event manager. I'm thoroughly convinced that this is my vocation. It's my calling. It's just a matter of passion. You see, I'm into running, I'm into sports, and I just like having a healthy lifestyle. Planning events is, on a social level, it's gratifying for me. I'm obsessed with my teeth, and my family, friends, those who were close to me, they're aware of that. Once I was running a marathon, and this little girl asked me, Sir, what's the... what's the silver tooth? Would you show it to me? This thing goes right back to my youth, my childhood. It's scary when a dentist comes to your school and starts checking everyone's teeth. So on those visits, I try to get out of school because because just imagine the dentist would come to school and he would put you in this chair with these drills, and I've had, my God, nightmares about those drills. You've got to understand that when I'm talking about running, I'm also talking about culture, because running is like a culture. So it's like taking care of your health. It's culture. Also visiting the dentist. It's culture. It's all culture. These are part of a healthy lifestyle. So how can you talk about health if on one hand you want to follow the rules, but at the same time you actually want to break them? Honestly, I'm surprised, and I don't think I understand what it means to install 10 implants. I have no clue what it means to do it. I thought I would have to go through different stages, but they'll do it all at once. They'll take out the roots and put on the implants, and I believe it's going to be really awesome. We'll see. We'll see. There are many people who have the same problem nowadays, but they keep avoiding the problem. Well, I was one of them. I had been avoiding the problem. I had hoped it would get better, but it was just an excuse, Obstacles are illusions. You wait for the right time and, you create obstacles one after another and another and another, but in the end, you're just lying to yourself. The reason why I share my story is because I hope it'll help people with similar problems, people who put off, who procrastinate things to the future, maybe because they convince themselves that they're out of money or they don't have time for this. But I do hope my story will inspire people to take care of their teeth. Seriously, it's a matter of health.